Saving. Saving refers to the act of setting aside a portion of income or financial resources for future use rather than spending it immediately. Saving is an essential financial habit that can provide financial security, support future goals, and help individuals navigate unexpected expenses. Here's an overview of key concepts related to saving. 1. Importance of saving. Emergency fund. Savings serve as a financial safety net, allowing individuals to cover unexpected expenses or emergencies without resorting to debt. Financial goals. Saving is crucial for achieving long-term financial goals, such as buying a home, funding education, or retiring comfortably. Interest and investment. Savings can be a foundation for investment, providing individuals with the capital to earn interest, dividends, or capital gains. 2. Types of savings. Short-term savings. For immediate needs and emergencies, individuals may maintain short-term savings in easily accessible accounts like savings or money market accounts. Long-term savings. Long-term savings may include contributions to retirement accounts, investments, or other vehicles designed to support future goals. 3. Savings vehicles. Savings accounts. Basic savings accounts offer a safe and accessible way to store money while earning a modest interest rate. Certificates of deposit, CDs. CDs are time deposits with fixed terms and interest rates, providing a slightly higher return than regular savings accounts. Money market accounts. Money market accounts combine elements of savings and checking accounts, offering higher interest rates and limited check writing capabilities. Retirement accounts. Retirement savings can be facilitated through accounts like 401ks or IRAs, which often offer tax advantages. Investments. Beyond traditional savings accounts, individuals may invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, or real estate to grow their wealth over the long term. 4. Strategies for saving. Budgeting. Creating a budget helps individuals track income and expenses, allowing for intentional allocation of funds to savings. Automated savings. Setting up automatic transfers to savings accounts ensures consistent contributions without relying on manual effort. Emergency fund. Building and maintaining an emergency fund, equivalent to 3-6 months' worth of living expenses, provides financial security in case of unexpected events. Prioritizing goals. Identifying and prioritizing specific financial goals helps individuals allocate savings to achieve those objectives. 5. Inflation and purchasing power. Inflation impact. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time. Saving and investing aim to outpace inflation to maintain real value. Nominal versus real returns. Nominal returns represent the total return on an investment, while real returns account for inflation, providing a more accurate measure of purchasing power. 6. Behavioral aspects of saving. Delayed gratification. Successful saving often involves delaying immediate wants for future needs or goals. Financial discipline. Building and maintaining a saving habit requires discipline, especially in the face of temptations to spend impulsively. 7. Government-sponsored savings programs. Employer-sponsored retirement plans, such as 401ks and 403bs, provide individuals with an opportunity to save for retirement with potential employer contributions. Individual retirement accounts, IRAs. IRAs allow individuals to contribute to retirement savings independently of employer-sponsored plans. 8. Financial education. Understanding financial principles, budgeting, and investment basics enhances individuals' ability to make informed decisions about saving. Educational resources. Various resources, including books, courses, and online platforms, provide education on personal finance and saving strategies. 9. Economic factors. Interest rates. Economic conditions, including prevailing interest rates, can influence the returns on savings accounts and other interest-bearing instruments. Incentives. Governments and financial institutions may offer incentives or tax breaks to encourage specific types of savings, such as retirement contributions. 10. Continuous evaluation and adjustment. Reviewing financial goals. Regularly reassessing financial goals and adjusting saving strategies ensures alignment with changing circumstances. Adapting to life changes. Major life events, such as marriage, childbirth, or a career change, may necessitate adjustments to saving plans. Saving is a fundamental aspect of personal finance that provides financial security, supports future goals, and enables individuals to navigate life's uncertainties. Whether for short-term needs or long-term objectives, adopting sound saving strategies and financial habits is essential for building a strong financial foundation and achieving financial well-being.